In December 2024, Ghanaians woke up to the news of an erected statue at the Ifian Kwanta Regional Hospital in Takoradi. Now, they weren't too amused. There were mixed feelings about this statue. And this statue happens to be the statue of the ex-president Nana Akufo-Addo. Now, guess what? In December 2024, we all woke up to the news of the statue being pierced at one side of the leg. That also raised concerns. In the early part of January 2025, it was completely demolished and people were asking questions. Is this right? Is this not right? There are mixed feelings towards this. Let's get to talk to a few people and get to find out from them what really were their concerns for the statue.
I know at least no would baby sad and according to no way runabout in here, complete runabout before I stand with him what they start to know. So it wasn't there. I better know we will move ya or yeah, while mamma had to be a farm matter quarria or still or better know what the statue would be sad. Sir, Yakanama, Cicero, you would what to a run do what alpha statue no what better was so no complete and not a bit more can there. And also, Akufo-Addo no once I watch it when in a business. And also what the a fair quantana symbol did no river bistro and no I send baby or Takoradi. One monk of baby no water no wash at the crowd or the baby bistro. But I'm an old mental similar that I'm free there. I could put more complete to run about no before and sana would 2 minutes start to be with this.
What happens from here? Is the statue going to be re-erected or is going to be left in this deteriorating state? Well, we only get to find out right here on MX24. This is Feedback Friday. As the story is told and left just like that, we get to unfold it.
Download the MX24 app on your favorite app store now.